So today we got to go and fit the rest of the body panels up. If you didn't see the last video, go and have a look at it. It's all in my playlist for this car. So the Skyline, we got all the body panels back, well minus the boot and spoiler, and the rear light surround and a couple of a little bit of the mirrors and stuff like that they still got to do. But hopefully we've got at the body shop now, they've done them, but we ended up getting the we got the front wings all fitted up, sort of. They're just roughly in there at the minute. I need to make the holes a bit bigger where I'll put the bolts in to hold like the front fenders on, so I can do a bit more adjustment, because all I've literally done is drill a hole the size of the bolt and bolted them on. They mainly fit, but they're just like the panel gaps and that aren't perfect, so I'm going to make the holes a bit bigger so we got a bit of adjustment. So yeah, last time we got the front fenders on and one side skirt and the front bumper fitted up. So we've got the other side skirt to fit. I'm going to get some clips off the body shop now, so I'm not buying them, they can give me them. And hopefully they've got the boot and the spoiler and all those other little bits. Get the indicator things that go in the little carbon fibre ducts on the front bumper as well. They got them up there. But yeah, other than that, and also Alan thinks he can just get the whole car started today, because he says all you got to do is run a power cable going from the ignition to the actual ECU, and that's the second power source why the car won't start. So he knows. So he says he's going to do that today. So it should be the car starting for the first time in so many years, and hopefully all the body panels are getting fitted onto the car. So we've got a running, driving car, sort of, hopefully, with all its body panels on. So first things first, so I need to go get some breakfast and get some fuel for this AMG, because it's on the red. But see you at the garage, won't be long. Okay guys, here we go. I've just been messing around with the bonnet just to get the panels lined up a bit more. I'm going to file away some of these holes here where I've fitted the front wings, so we can get it all a bit more lined up. But I've took the side skirt off. I managed to get the side skirt off that I popped on with these yellow clips, which are a bit too fat. There's no movement in the in this bit, like left and right. And you can see I've, not on this side, on the other side, I've cracked it a little bit. So I've got these white ones from the body shop. These are a lot better. Refit these once I've finished aligning all this bit better. It's very annoying and tedious, but getting on it. But it does look handsome. But I'll show you the bonnet when it's down. That'll do for clap. But yeah, so yeah, I need to put that, push that up, bolt it. I mean, it's not perfect. See, there's a slight raise on it there when this is all the way down. Other than that, that's mint. This side's fine. Okay, that's what we got. Not perfect, but it will have to do, because I am not a professional body panel fitter. If I was at the body shop to do it, it'd take me 10 years. So yeah, I've obviously last time I just threw the side skirts on and they cracked a little bit, but this time I'm gonna get this fitted how it should. There's a tiny little bracket in there that I need to drill out, because I didn't even see that. And last time that was on the inside, on the other side of that, which is why it probably cracked. So yeah, instead of rushing and getting it done fast as I can, all the body panels on, I'll take me time and do it properly. Let's get on with it. Okay, we figured out why we got no fuel, because we took the fuel pump out because we were connecting it all up. We were like, why has it got no fuel? Pulled these out, and these connections that I did, I don't know whether the fuel let it or not, but they're completely disconnected from the actual hanger and pump, so redo them and hopefully we've got fuel then. Skyline Problems. Oh yes, so a full day at the garage basically. I got there at what, 10 o'clock? And in that time managed to remove the side skirt because I cracked it before putting it on, and I put those wrong clips on like I said before. I haven't installed the side skirts because I want to get it up in the air and fit the front fenders a bit better and drill them out at the bottom and put a nut and bolt through onto the sills sort of thing. So yeah, so we've gone backwards. Took the side skirt off, and also we can't get the car started. That's what we just spent the entire day doing basically. The fuel pump, as I've shown you guys, the cable going to the fuel pump, it actually was completely separated, so the pump was getting no fuel at all. We fixed that now, but obviously the ECU's now got a base map on it for that car, and we still can't start it. And Alan's been messing around with the wiring. I've just sort of been stood there like helping, but not really, because I don't have a clue about electrics. So bit of a rubbish video so far, but for you guys it don't matter. I'm going home now, but I'll continue this video on the next day, and hopefully Alan's squared away the wiring. I go up there, boom, start the car, put the rest of the body panels on, and the car be working and driving. But afraid it's a bit of a fail today, but that's the old car life. You can't expect to restore an entire car yourself and not have a clue what you're doing really, and it go smoothly and easy as I'm gonna do it. Good morning. Right, it's been a couple of days, 3 days I think, since the last little clip I just filmed then. Hopefully Alan's been on the wiring. He hasn't said anything. That texted me up and saying, oh, your car started, but hopefully he's been doing it. So I've got the body shop now, hopefully as well. We just got fingers crossed all day today. The boot and spoiler and the wind mirrors and stuff like that, they were supposed to paint that. He promised me to be done by the bank holiday weekend, which was obviously this weekend, and now it's Wednesday, so hopefully they're done. We chuck them in the boot, we can fit the boot and spoiler and stuff and get some more stuff done. But obviously the main thing is sort the wiring out today, mostly Alan, and get the car started. So let's get up the garage, we'll body shop, then the garage, same old routine, and see what's going on. Okay, obviously the body shop did not have my panels finished, so we're going to a new plan. We're going to take the dashboard out and have a look at the wires behind there, see if we've missed any plugs. Maybe this is why the thing's not starting, but that's the only thing I can think of at the minute of why it's not working. So let's get on with it, get it done. Good thing about me putting the dashboard in is that I skip a few bolts, you know, cowboy, so there's not that many to take out. But do let us know in the comment section down below, guys, of what you think of the car, how it's coming along the build so far. I mean, I'm loving the way it looks. Obviously it's not finished, but I can, you know, I can see it in my head how it's going to look when it's finished, and I can't wait. So let us know, give us a like, subscribe if you like what's going on. It's out. That was a lot harder than I remember putting it in, but now we can see everything wiring wise. See if we missed anything, why it's not getting, well, it's why it's not starting. Something electrical's going on. But obviously these, I'm assuming, yeah, they're the clock gauges. Those bad boys are clock gauges, but I don't know, like stuff like this, we need to have a little look, see what it does, make sure it's all plugged in. I'm knackered. Yeah, let's get on the electrics. Right, I've just gone and checked all the wiring. Obviously I'm no expert and all that, but all I've done really is I've cleaned this earth here. This was on here, just sort of balancing. They just wedged on there, which is very good obviously. I've cleaned it and put it on there. And I've turned the ignition on because we've messed around with all the wiring now, so it's not working properly. But I turned the ignition on and everything, like, you know, everything that should have lit up. So wait for Alan a minute. I'll let him have a little quick check, and hopefully it was something as simple as that, cleaning an earth, which was the whole problem, but you never know. It's probably not, it's me. But let's have a go, see what happens. Okay, well, enough of electrics for a minute, so we're going to move on to the indicators, fitting them, because they don't quite fit flush, so I have to sand away a little bit of fiberglass and paint basically. But yeah, I've got the dash out, as you can see. Alan's going to have a look at it in a bit. I've given up. We're going to so that's some of the old wiring for the alarm system that I had on there before. It's a towed alarm system, and we removed it all to make it basic, so we could just start the car, you know, easy as we could. But we're having a look at that now, just to see if there's anything that we need off of it. Maybe that's why it's not starting, but who knows, eh? But yeah, I'm going to start with the indicators. This is more my area. yeah, they need a bit of sanding along the edges really. They're about a couple mils off all round, so like, if I push it too hard, it'll end up cracking the fender. But yeah, one's in. Obviously we fast forward it. Obviously I chipped a bit of paint because I'm a muppet. But yeah, I'll get a touch-up pen off the body shot. I'll get some paint off them and touch it up. I mean, to be honest, I've put a few scratches in the car since I've had it back, which is annoying because it's a fresh paint job, but I mean, I'll buff it out and touch it up as much as I can anyway. Okay, next we are going on to windows.
Moment of truth.
Okay, another thing ticked off the list. We've only got windows. We have electric windows. Funny enough, this thing has been submerged. Yeah, you wouldn't believe it, but that window switch was in that bucket of water in the boot. If you were an OG going right back to like the first video, loads of parts were submerged in the bucket. Right, there we go guys, a bit more done. Nothing major's getting happening at the minute. The last 10% of the car, so it's like all the little annoying bits. But yeah, we still not figuring out the wiring. Alan says to me he's going to have it done by Saturday running, so we're on Wednesday now, as I said before. So yeah, he's getting on it. Yeah, what we get done, the indicators, the windows now work. Every little thing helps, you know what I mean? It's more of a car, it's working somewhat. But yeah, that's it for this one. Like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the build so far. But yeah, I'll catch you next one guys, take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm loving